Hello everybody. The world has grown in leaps and bounds, and central to this growth has been individual skill development. When I talk about individual skill development, I'm talking about core skills, support skills, behavior skills, business skills, and leadership skills. Let's understand something. The amount of concentration that we have given on the core skills, we cannot say the same for the other skills. Now, the world would not have changed so much but for individual skill development. Developed nations look at individual skill development as an investment, while developing nations need to look at it as an investment and not as an expenditure. We have integrated holistic learning and development tools right from assessments, mentoring, field expert support, and online courses. A unique platform, an online hub for learning and development, which offers end-to-end solutions for individual skill development. Welcome to Talentpepz,